And welcome. This is Mary Ellen McGonagle with your Daily 5. And as you may know, I'm the founder of MEM Investment Research. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an area of the markets that is a little bit later to the party, if you will. It's an area that's currently attempting to bottom. The essence here is to look at this area and as Warren Buffett would say, buy when fear is the highest. But let's go ahead and get started. Here is the S&P 500, a daily price chart. And we can see we had this bear market period that ended in March 23rd. That was your bottom. We've had a significant bounce subsequent to that. The areas that I follow quite closely are those that are outperforming even the S&P 500. There are two specific areas that have gone up above any of these key areas of resistance and are poised to trade higher. But again, today we're going to look at a what I call down and out area of the markets, and that would be the energy space. We're going to take a quick look here at the sector chart for energy, and we can see it's been a dramatic year for these stocks. They did bottom, performed much worse in this bear market period. And since then, we have this area that is reversing this downtrend. It's an area I've been watching. We can, of course, take a look here at this late April period. The price of oil for the first time historically did drop below zero. So big problems there. But since then, the overall sector has been able to break above these shorter term. In this case, this green line is your 10-day. The red line is your 50-day. So we've seen the energy sector break back above that. That's quite bullish. We also have had this shorter term 10-day breaking up through the 50-day. That's a golden cross. And the concept here is we could see the group rally as high as, at the very least, to this next possible area of upside resistance. That would be $50. Right now it's at 38. So a very significant advance possible out of here. So what I've done is identified 3 different stocks that have superior fundamentals and are poised similarly to that group chart to trade higher. This first one is Noble, NBL Energy. Same dynamics here with the break price above these shorter term simple moving averages, golden cross. And we also have an RSI and a MACD that is possible and that is occurring right now. And Noble does have a very strong balance sheet. In addition to plays in the oil industry, they also have a large natural gas play in the Mediterranean. The price is still down from this peak, 56% in price, and the average price target is close to $13, and that is a significant advance from this $9 current price. Their earnings are due out on Friday, but again, that advance from this $9 up to 18, we're looking at almost a double for that stock. Let's take a look actually at one other time frame period, because this has been newer to me. I started a live trading room with Aaron Swinlin on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're drilling down to these really nitty-gritty, finer tuned timelines. And what we're looking at here is a 15-minute price chart. And the usefulness here is capturing these upward moves. You can see how significant they can be. I'm taking us back to the end of April, where the stock price gapped up on the open and continued to advance over a 2-day period. That was a 23% move. You're going to want to pay attention to the price relative to these simple moving averages and also that RSI in positive territory. This is over that 2-day period. Likewise with this other momentum indicator, your MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, also posting positively. And then on the negative side, really again drilling down, when this price breaks below these simple moving averages, you are going to want to exit the stock. Now, this is going to be for very nimble, more in the line with swing trading, but it can be very, very helpful for that super shorter term view. Let's take a look at another energy stock that is in that similarly bottoming type of phase. This is Pioneer. The ticker symbol is PXD. And the company, again, here is currently in bullish position, trading at about 86. Analyst price targets average about 106 for this stock, so a significant potential advance. The company has been showing significant growth, and this is similar to the three names I'll be sharing with you today. But coming into 2020, they each had very significantly positive growth prospects before getting hit, not just with the broader markets, but of course with the price of oil. 17 analysts do have a buy rating on this stock, and the company does offer a 2.6% yield. PXD is due with their earnings tomorrow. You'll want to know that. Keep an eye on that. But again, looking for that potential advance with an RSI and a MACD that is bullish. Let's take a look at this one last other energy name that I have here, and it's Diamondback. FANG is the ticker symbol, and I think you'll see the similarities here as far as this nice bullish breakup above these shorter term simple moving average. Another company that came in super strong. Their Q4 19 showed EPS growth of 60% year over year, 74% revenue growth before really getting hit. The stock is really diversified. It's not just energy. They also have mineral ownerships. They have a water business. So analysts feel that they're much better positioned than that straight oil play. Average price target for this company is 55.6. And the company did already report their earnings that were ahead of estimates. They are curbing production in the face of the currently low price that we are seeing in oil. Let's take a look, because I also wanted to take a moment and share with you areas of the market. There are two areas that are showing significant outperformance. These are areas with my MEM research that we've uncovered. We were early into these areas. This is healthcare sector, and we can see the significant advance as you compare it to the S&P 500, well above all of its key simple moving averages and approaching its prior high. One of the strongest areas within healthcare has been biotech stocks. A number of reasons. It's not just coronavirus related. In fact, I will share with you one name of many. We've been overweighting healthcare as well as biotech on my MEM Edge report. We can see that biotechs are trading very constructively. RSI and MACD are positive, and one of the strongest names in here is from our MEM suggested holdings list. This is Vertex. The company just reported last week. They showed 125% year-over-year earnings growth with their new cystic fibrosis drug that is continuing to expand and see usage. Management also guided their earnings estimates higher for the remainder of the year. Super strong stock. One last area I will leave us with that is equally strong, and these are the only two sectors that are trading bullishly above all of their key simple moving averages. This is technology. We can see that it is well above, has no upside resistance. And I would like to remind you, for those of you that would like to be introduced to those stocks that are poised to outperform among those outperforming sectors, please take a look. Go ahead over to meminvestmentresearch.com and trial my report.
Hey guys, Grayson Rose here with StockCharts.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you did, give us a like down below, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily content from an incredible collection of technical analysts and financial minds. We'll see you back here very soon. Happy charting, my friends.